Okay, this is a sample of a picture frame that has some pretty special joinery, because on big picture frames, like museum quality art, they have a special way of making the frame where every year at the back there's 4 wedges, and every year you give it a slight little tap to make it expand. They don't put these together with glue, but they sure are tight fitting, and to get this baby nice and snug. A strap clamp like this is a good job, is a good tool to have. Now I can literally get equal force applied towards the inside at all 4 corners. You can hear it creaking in place. And again, that's not going anywhere. But that's already been done, and made the job pretty easy. Instead of 8 bar clamps, one of those with up to 2 blocks on each corner. Put the whole thing tight. Alright, we're working on this project here, which is going to be a jewelry box that's on legs. It's going to slot into these slots, and I want to achieve a few things with some of the Fortune Fine woodworking tools. I want to put tapers in these legs, and I'm going to show you how I do that with a spoke shave, and I'm going to show you how this clamp works here. Alright, so I'm going to loosen it off so you can see the setup. This clamp can be used for picture frames, and I believe it has a circumference of 6 feet. These are all joined in like that. I've got a slot in the side and a through mortise and tenon. And when I want to glue it up, I can simply set my frame clamp up or strap clamp up on the table to the approximate size. Get it to the height I want. Blocks would help, so there's a little tension. Okay, this is where I coil up my, I'll loosen it off for now. This is where I can pull my coil tighter. So we're in the ballpark of what we want. What I want to do is pull my strap tight and then clamp it. And here we go. We've got a steel clamp here. This is a steel strap. Other ones on the market are available. Can you hear it creaking in place? They're available with nylon straps, and those tend to flex, and you don't get as much clamping force. So here, look, I can pick the whole project up by the clamp itself, and that's definitely in place. Not bad if you ask me.